What's up there, Ryan?
Things are quite fun right now. Enjoying the motorcycle drive?
Of course I am. I'll race you to the end.
Hold on there, Kenji.
This is an open road, but we should watch out for traffic.
Yeah, we should. Yo Kenji, why aren't you moving?
My bike is in a low fuel.
Damn. But don't worry, we'll still keep on having the drive before we stop at a gas station. That really was quite a race we had, Kenji.
Yeah, Ryan, I know. I'm gonna refill my bike and get going. I'll see you another time.
I'm gonna head back to my brother anyway.
Hey guys, how are you too?
Nothing much. What's your name?
The name's Amanda.
Well, pleasure to meet you, miss. I'm Ryan.
I'm Kenji. We were having a race across the open road.
That's really cool to hear.
And are you gonna get gas too? We only stopped because Kenji was running low on fuel, while I might buy a snack from the store.
Yes, I'm gonna get gas too. But I'll wait for you guys first.
But hey, it was actually nice to meet you, Amanda. Me and Kenji are gonna head off, though I'll be at my brother's.
Alright, Ryan.